What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ken Birdsall here from KB Cars. Today I am at Spitzer Chevrolet in Amherst, Ohio to show you what's different between the custom Trailboss and the LT Trailboss on the Silverado 1500. If you are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner and turn on those bell notifications. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down below. If you want to see Spitzer's inventory, make sure you check out the link in the description below as well. If you are shopping and trying to find out what all is going on, I'm going to show you what's different. I'm here to help you make your decision easier. Real quick, I just want to recap what is the same between these, because they are both off-road lifted trucks and they're just at different levels of features, and I want to just cover that real quick. What's the same? On both of these, you have that heavy-duty air filter, a heavy-duty auto-locking rear differential, the Z71 off-road suspension package, a 2-inch factory lift, skid plates, hill descent control, a 2-speed electronic transfer case, trailering package, recovery hooks, gloss black bumpers, 18-inch wheels with Goodyear Wrangler Duratrac tires, and floor liners with the Z71 logo. Alright, now let's talk about differences. First thing that I want to look at, and everybody loves on a truck, is the engine. They got to know about it. It's got the 5.3. This has the 5.3. So why are they different? This one is the L82 code with active fuel management, which means it can shut down to 4 cylinders at any given time. It is paired to the 6-speed automatic transmission. Meanwhile, on the LT, it is a 5.3, but it's the L84 build code with dynamic fuel management, which means it can shut down any cylinder configuration. And new for 2020, it is paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. As we look at the custom grille, it has a nice gloss black Chevrolet written in the front, whereas on the LT, we've got these gloss black bars that go across. Custom has nice halogen reflector headlamps and daytime running lamps, while the LT has LED headlamps, daytime running lamps, and even fog lamps. Lastly, inside on the LT, you get the active arrow shutters that are not on the custom. The custom comes with a physical key, keyless entry, and the option to upgrade to remote start. Where the LT has not just a key fob, keyless key fob, it's keyless entry, push button start, and passive entry. While the custom has flat black matte mirror caps and door handles, the LT has high gloss black and high gloss black. When we take a look at the door panels and the dash of the custom, here's what you see. And on the LT, there's an obvious, definite upgrade, including leather stitching in the dash and all around. Building on that, the custom has manual adjusting seats, forwards, backwards, does not move up and down, and manually reclining seat as well. On the LT, you have standard power adjusting seat, forward, back, up, and down, your backrest, lumbar support, and you also have the option to upgrade to this leather package. For the custom, you get a standard steering wheel with just cruise control. On the LT, you have your cruise control, but you also have the optional heated steering wheel. You have your standard Bluetooth, driver information center, controls, and that's all comes on a nice standard leather wrapped steering wheel. The custom comes with a 3.5-inch monochromatic driver information center that changes with this dial. The LT comes with a nice 4.2-inch driver information center that's color and has your steering wheel controls. The custom comes with no OnStar features, has a 7-inch MyLink radio. It does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, I do want to note, but only AM and FM radio. Just a little different center stack here. On the flip side with the LT, you have your OnStar controls, a nice bigger 8-inch MyLink radio, a little different center stack, and I do want to note, while it has the push button start that we mentioned earlier, it does also have the auto stop override. While the custom has no actual center console storage there or under seat storage, the LT has console storage. Flip that up and you actually have a locking under seat storage. Yes, I did actually have to switch to another truck because, well, the LT Trailboss actually has the console, center console, which is an optional upgrade, but I want to make sure I show that to you guys. On the LT, you have USB ports, a 12-volt outlet, center armrest, and even seat back storage. But on the Custom, you have just your air vents down below, no seat back storage, and no center armrest. While the LT has a rear window defogger standard, on the Custom, it's an upgrade to the convenience package. The Custom comes with a 3.42 rear axle ratio, and the LT has a 3.23 rear axle ratio. The Easy Lift tailgate and the LED cargo area lighting are standard on the LT and an optional upgrade on the Custom. Lastly, while both the Custom and the LT have dual outlet exhaust, on the LT it's a nice polished aluminum. Alright, so there you have it. That's what's different between the Custom and the LT on the Trailboss trims. When you are shopping now, you are educated. If you have any questions, if there's anything I can do to help, please let me know. If you live in Northeast Ohio, I'd be glad to help you find the right vehicle. Give me a call at 440-988-4444. Again, please subscribe, hit that little button right down there, turn on your bell notifications, leave comments down below or any questions, and drive safe.